Hi, we're back.
Which way do I point it? Do I point it that way?
Hey, it's me again.
No.
Now you're gonna see some firework action.
Stop it! Stop! Give me my firework!
Mine!
No!
I got it.
Okay, do y'all know which way we point this? Kayla, do you know which way we
Hold on, let me think. Just read it.
Right there.
Where?
The sprinkler is at the end.
Okay.
Zoom in on the sprinkler. I mean, whatever that is.
Hold it.
Did I point it at you?
Now you're gonna see some action.
Just in case. Just in case.
Cool!
That's right.
Give me it! Give me it! Cool! Let's stand in front of it so I can see you above. Look at it! Look, shoot it that way. Look great! That's it?
Yeah.
That's stupid!
Now it's done.
This is a rip-off iPod! Can I have some?
No.
Hi! Ooh, a lawnmower. Cool.
Ivy wants to smoke. Smoking Ivy.
It's a lawnmower!
David turns it on.
Can I get on it and you push me?
No, put it back. It's broken.
Oh my god!
Yeah, see what you just did?
Look! Look! Ah, it's on my toe! Ah, it's on my toe! Look! Ah, it's on my pants! Look at all the ants.
Oh my god. Zoom on the ants.
Ooh. Hi.
Zoom on the ant pile. There's ants over there. Here you go.
Get them off! Get them off! Get them off!
As you can see, Ivy is afraid of ants and allergic.
Oh, they're all over your legs.
She goes, Ivy, say hello, Dad.
She stepped in an ant pile. It was totally
Hello.
funny.
Big dum-dum.
She stepped right in an ant pile. Then the ant
hello.
found me.
Say hello, Dad. This is my dad. Say hello. Say hello, Dad.
My ants are itchy.
Your ants are itchy.
I mean, my legs are itchy.
Her ants are itchy.